Now let's move to the next section where we're going to build this footer. So for making the footer, what we have to do, we have to go to the Elementor, go to this theme builder and open this. Okay, so this will be open. Now you can see we have to make this type of footer. Okay, so for making this footer, first we have to open this footer. Okay, let's wait for it. And now let's close this. So now we have to just enter one main layout. Okay, so the name of this will be footer. Okay, and here you can see we can set the edge to the top, to the bottom. Okay, and first let's make this black. Okay, here we can just add that is 1 2 3 4. Okay, we can just change the name of this like okay, so this would be top. Also we have one more, so this is the copyright. Okay, so now inside this we need the 4, so this would be 1, duplicate, 2, duplicate, 3, duplicate, and it will be 4 top. So here we can just make this like this. Okay, now what we can do, we can just go here we can search for the list here. Okay, here we can search for this. Okay, repair point. Okay, here we can just make this like this. Okay, here also we can make this white. Okay, and here also I can make this Oswald. Okay, here also you can see the icon should be in the center like this. Okay, and the logo should be 500 600. Okay, this is good. Okay, now you can see here this lorem ipsum. So first we can just copy this lorem ipsum here. Okay, we can just remove this. Okay, then after that we can just search for the list, and this would be list. Okay, here you can see you have the Dhaka, Bangladesh. So this is some random address. You can just put your own, and here you can see we have the map. Okay, like this, and we can just duplicate this now. Okay, so you have to just change the content. Like for the phone number, we can just go here, and here we can search for the phone. Okay, and here you can see for the contact. Okay, here you can see we have the envelope. Let's use the envelope. Okay, now let's go here, icon, here make this red. We can increase the size of this. Okay, here we can just make this. Okay, and here also we can make this to 600. Okay, like this. Now you can see we have to use quick links. So first we can go to the top. Here we can put some 40. Okay, like this. Okay, now what we can do, we can just put a heading here. Okay, quick links, and here also we can make this white. Okay, now we can just search for the list here again. Okay, here we can just search for this to 20. Okay, and here we can search for the home. Okay, we can just change their colors. Okay, now let's go to the text, and here we can just increase the size of this. Okay, now just increase the size of this. Okay, here you can just change the content, like here you can add the about. So about here we can write services. Okay, all of you can change this content. Okay, here also we can make this to 22. Okay, everything is looking great. Now we can just remove this and remove the fourth one also. Okay, now let me okay, you can just use this to change its layout, make it bigger. Okay, and now you can see where the subscribe newsletter. Okay, subscribe newsletter, and here we can remove this. So here also we can just copy this. Okay, here we can just make this to capitalize, and this also make this white. Okay, here we can just make this. Okay, let's first publish this so we don't lose any changes, add condition and add site. Okay, now you can see we have this form, simple form. So for the form, let me show you a trick that we don't make any layouts again and again. So we can just copy this from here and we can just paste it. So right now you can see full form is coming. Now let's delete the unrequired field and we can make this full width. Okay, we can also remove this like this, and here you can see email address and subscribe. Your email and button would be here, button full width. Okay, and let's change the name of the button here. This would be subscribe. Okay, and the field would be 10 like this. So this is done, and on hover this is coming to this. So what we can do, we can just go to this button, and on hover it should be background color white and it should be black, I think, like this. So this is looking good. Now you can see we have the social icon also, so you can also copy the social icon from here. So like this, you can see we have the social icon, copy this, okay, and paste this below. Okay, now what we can do, we can just make this row auto. Okay, so let's add some spaces. Okay, and one thing, I think we have this. Okay, like this. So this is looking great. Now let's publish. Also we can just copy this to this. Okay, so this is looking great. Okay, let's make this 0 also. Okay, now let's publish and see if our footer is loading or not. So now let's go here and refresh. Now if I go below, you can see our footer is loaded here perfectly. Okay, so here we can put some more content to this. Okay, here also we can just put this to 30. Okay, now you can see we have to put this copyright. So let me copy this copyright text here. First let me copy paste this. Copyright 2026. Repair point all rights reserved. Okay, here also we can make this to like 500. Okay, so now we can just go to the icon list here, and here you can make this 0. Okay, I copyright this, and this would be 30. Okay, footer. So in footer we can make this 50. Okay, and this would be 80. So this is done. And for the copyright also we can keep a border at the top. So let's keep a border, and this border will be colored like this. Okay, so you can see the visibility is very less, so we can just make this little bit white. Okay, now let's publish. Now let's go to the repair point 2, and here we can refresh. After refreshing, we can see the copyright and repair point here. Okay, so this is also done. Now we can put some hover of this also. Suppose if I want to go here, you can see content, and here you can see red. Okay, so in this way you can change these links according to you. Just change the content. Okay, so this is also done. Now let's go here and refresh. Now you can see this thing is done.